Consider that we can do arithmetic operations on functions. So in other words, that we can add two functions together, we can subtract one function from another, we can multiply two functions, and we can divide functions. So let's start here by adding and subtracting functions. And so we're given that f of x equals x squared plus 5x minus 2. And g of x equals 3x minus 2. Find each function. And so we're first asked to find f plus g of x. Now I can list these functions horizontally, or I can do them vertically. And when I'm adding and subtracting, personally, when I'm adding and subtracting functions, I prefer to list them vertically. And by that, what I mean is I'm going to put in here f of x. So f of x equals x squared plus 5x minus 2. And then I am going to add g of x, which is 3x minus 2. And I'm looking at my like terms here, if you will. And so I'm going to put then, we've got 3x minus 2. And we're just going to simply add these together. Well, as I add these, I only have one x squared term. So I got x squared. And let me just say that we're adding that together. And so then I got 5x plus 3x. Well, that's going to be 8x. 5 and 3 is 8, combining those like terms. And then I've got negative 2, which of course is going to be negative 4. And there, this is equal to f plus g of x. Shazam. Now, one reason why I like to list it vertically is particularly when I'm subtracting functions. And in essence, what's happening when I'm subtracting functions, I'm just going to be changing the sign of the function that I'm subtracting. But let's list this. So I'll start off again. I've got x squared plus 5x minus 2. And we're going to subtract from it 3x minus 2. Now, I like to put this in parentheses and put that subtraction symbol out there, which tells me that what I really need to do is distribute negative 1 to 3x minus 2, which is going to make this negative 3x and plus 2. And from that point, I'm really just going to add these together. So I only have an x squared term again, so I've got x squared. But this time I've got 5x, and I'm subtracting from 5x 3x. So 5x minus 3x is positive 2x. And then negative 2 plus negative 2, two negatives, positive. Well, those just cancel out. And so my answer here then, that f minus g of x equals, in this case, x squared minus 2x. Well, that wasn't too bad. And next, we know what we're going to do next. Next, we're going to multiply and divide. And I know you can't wait, because I can't wait. It's going to be fun.